I love saving money on Facebook ads, on Meta ads. And I don't know if you've been here, you maybe don't know why your ads are working or they're not working. You've probably changed the copy 50 million times. You're changing the logo, you're changing the colors. You don't know what's working, and you're just spending a lot of money on getting these ads to work right. Or at least that's my experience. I don't know if you guys, are with me, but as an advertiser, we know how to blame the iOS 14 algorithm. We're, blaming Mark Zuckerberg on creating this platform with, all these crappy updates. But I'm here to tell you that the problem is not actually the ad campaign. The problem is your approach to the ad campaign. And the solution that we found that works every time when we're spending way too much budget on different KPIs is the dragon strategy.